Hi guys, welcome to part 2 of the scrap wood workshop build. I'll show you what I've got done. Yesterday I sort of screwed the whole cabinet together, found a little drawer set, stuck it on top, and at some point today I want to get it painted, but that should be in this video so you can see it all complete. Here we go, I'll show you how it looks now. So I end up putting a bit of wood across the top there, put some hooks in tanks and tools. Down here, that's that blanket box top. I don't know if you can see under there in the dark, but I put some battens at the side and the back just to hold that in. I found this little set of bathroom drawers which I've sat on top, just some practicality more than anything, store some stuff in there. Like I say, it's all going to be painted. Getting down here with this blanket box, solid mounted, a couple of good shelves there out of that old decking wood. Yeah, nice bit of space sort of under there. Yeah, not the best thing, but like I say, for scrap free wood, something to hang my tools on in a little shed, I think that'll do the job. Like I say, I'll show you what it looks like once I painted it. Alright. So okay. Here we go. I got the blanket box down the bottom there, and the top up there. A couple bits then decking wood along the back. So drilled some holes in, put the screwdrivers in there. Also hung another bit of wood there, put some tools on. Got plenty of storage, got plenty enough storage for myself. That's all I need in here really. Yeah, some sort of bathroom drawers that I found. Got some more spanners there and other miscellaneous bits. But I think it came out alright really, considering that was all scrap wood. And hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it helps you out, and please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.